Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find your coupons on AliExpress. But first I wanted to mention that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that click on your account, and after that you can see at the top the last one at that row is coupons. Click on that and you can see that right now I haven't earned any coupons, but you can get coupons by clicking on that button. And you can see that here are a lot of coupons which you can buy, and after that to use for things. So yeah, you can check them out, and if you want them you can. And you can see that I can claim $5 coupons. So great, you got a coupon. I could not read that. So yeah, invite 3 new users and get a coupon. And there is that your collected coupons. Check coupons in coupon center. All right, so yeah, you can check them out if you would like. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.